Hey guys, welcome to Detector's tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Canva AI image generator tutorial for beginners. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you, all a step-by-step guide on using Canva's AI image generator. So whether you're a beginner or just looking to explore Canva's powerful AI feature, then you've come to the right place. So if you're not aware onto what is Canva, this is actually an online graphic design platform that simplifies the process of creating visual content. So it provides an easy to use interface with a wide range of templates, graphics, and tools that enables users to design everything from social media graphics and presentation to posters and flyers. So with Canva, you don't need advanced design skills or software expertise. It is an accessible and user-friendly solution for individuals and businesses looking to create professional-looking graphics and visual materials quickly and efficiently. So Canva's drag and drop features makes it an excellent choice for anyone who wants to design visually appealing content without the complexity of traditional graphic design software. So as you can see, Canva is full of surprises. They got a desktop app, businesses love them, they make presenting easy, and they have a video editor. So one of the surprise that they have also that we're gonna delve in today is their text to image feature. And as you can see, there are three plans that we could have onto Canva. So we're actually using Canva free, which is for anyone to design anything on their own or with family, friends, or others. So no experience required, and you don't have to pay for this. So we're gonna use this feature or this plan right now. We also have Canva Pro for individuals, solopreneurs, and freelance designers who want unlimited access to premium content to create professional designs with ease and scale their productivity. So you have free pro trial for that, so you could try to do that. And also the Canva for Teams, all the great features of Canva Pro. Plus, we think you'll love these features. Designs allow teams of all sizes to collaborate with ease. So there is also a free trial for that. You could try it, and you could also contact sales for more information regarding this. So if you have an account already, you'll just need to head on to login. And if you don't have an account yet, just simply click onto the sign up button here onto the upper part. Now, since we have an account already, we're gonna go ahead and just continue with Google in here. So I kind of like this option to continue with Google. So I do this mostly onto every website that I encounter to because I don't have to remember my email or password. I'll just need to click onto this and also click onto the account that I want to use. Then it will redirect onto the website that I want to use. So by continuing, we should agree to the Canvas terms of use and service, or you could read the privacy policy here onto the bottom part. Now let's go ahead and log into Canva. Now right after, you should get redirected onto Canvas dashboard in here. So as you can see here onto the upper part, there might be different things that you could see, such as the design spotlight, wherein you could choose for visual documents, photos and videos, print and marketing. We also have the business in here, which is Canva for business. We also have education for teachers and schools and students. We also have the plans and pricing, which we delved into earlier, and the learn, wherein you could create top designs or some things in here like blog or design school so that you could see some tutorials or technical supports and help. Then here onto the left side, you should be able to see the home page, the projects template, the brand, apps, create a team, and the trash. And here onto the upper part, you could simply click onto create a design to start from scratch. So what we'll need to do in here to access the AI image generator is to click onto the apps section in here. So right after clicking onto that, you should get redirected onto this page in here wherein it gives you the search bar to search for the apps, also some filters in here so that it would be easy for you to search the app as per their category. So here are the trending apps currently onto Canva as of the moment right now. So here, if we scroll down a little bit, we could actually see the feature that we're gonna delve into. So this is under the new features that Canva has. So this is the text to image. So this is where you type what you'd like to see and watch it come to life. So you're invited to read the brand new technology that generates whatever image you describe, and you can leave feedback afterwards to it. So this is actually created by Canva, and let's just go ahead on through the details onto what this text to image is all about. And then let's just go ahead and choose if we want to use this in an existing design, use this in a new design. So we're just going to use this in a new design, and then right after it will ask you what would you like to create. So you could choose from a custom size. There are also suggested like the document, video, Facebook post, Facebook cover, Instagram post, logo, presentation, animated logo, and many more. So let's just go ahead and click onto custom size in here, and then let's type in some PX in here So let's just go ahead and click onto the recent one, and then we're gonna go ahead and delve onto Canva's text to image feature. Now, right after, this is what the editing page would look like. So it would automatically open also the text image feature in here. So this is where you will describe the image you want and they will create it for you. So we could try an example for this. So they actually offers example. Let's just click onto this plus sign button in here. And as you can see, we could see the flat lay of minimalist work task with tablets and pens. So we could choose that, and you could also browse through the different styles. So let's click onto see all. You could use a photo in here, vibrant, minimalist, and many more. So there is also different categories of photography. We have for digital art, for fine art, and let's just click onto this dreaming in here since I think I want to see something dreamy for the style. And then right after, we could also choose in a aspect ratio. So let's try portrait in here since we've gone ahead and added a portrait like ratio in here. And then right after, let's just create the image. So as you can see, this will use one of the 45 credits. So we only have 45 credits for free or 50 credits free since I've used it earlier. So you could upgrade for more in here so that you should be able to see prompt in here. So this is a flat lay of minimalist work task with tablets and pen, and onto the three dots in here, it will actually give you an option to generate more like this. So if you want to use a certain image, you could just drag it and drop it in here so that you could add it onto your canvas. So right after, you could also resize this one out so we can make it bigger like that, and you could also add in some elements, some text, and you could also draw into it so that you could optimize this feature more, or you could make your photo better. So let's just go ahead and create something again, and we'll actually try to change the prompt in here. So let's try to think of something that is not from the example. And now as you can see, I've gone ahead and added a prompt in here, which is flowers and the beach, and we'll choose another style for that. So we could try to add in this vibrant in here, and then let's go ahead and click on create again, and let's try to see what it will give us. So we'll just remove this design first in here so that we could replace it onto the new one. And as you can see, these are the photos that it generated. So I kind of like how this one turned out, especially this one. So let's gonna go ahead and add it since I think this is a really cute photo that has been generated. So we could adjust it like that. So we could use this one as for wallpaper, or you could just think of anything that you could use the photo from. Then right after, once you're satisfied, you could add in some text or elements. And once you're done, you'll just go ahead and click onto the share button here onto the upper part, and you could download it, and you could also choose a file type onto your download. So the PNG is suggested for this. We're just gonna go ahead and click onto that. And there you have it. You've gone ahead and learned how to use the Canva's AI image generator. With Canva AI, you could create stunning visuals that has never been easier. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you onto our next video.